Hi guys, it's me, Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. I hope everybody is doing okay. So I got a package in the mail from Amazon Prime, and I wanted to show it, share it, and maybe even ask if anyone's used it to tag me in it so that we can figure out how to use it. So I made all those purses for the ladies in the neighborhood, and they were 18, and I had to cut up Velcro, and I didn't like how it did, so I went online on Amazon and I ordered the snap buttons. And so it comes with the tool. That's metal, heavy duty. It comes with that tool, and then it comes with these snap buttons, 360 pieces. And I wanted to try this, and I know you can snap it to paper. So it's got it's got a female and a male part, and let me get the two parts, and you snap it together. I don't know if y'all can see that. So I am very happy to try this because hopefully it'll work, because I don't like how magnets leave ripples and bumps and can tear your paper. I didn't like the Velcro when I made stuff, so hopefully this will work. I bought it for $20, the whole set, and I just went on to get the link, and I'm going to share the link down below, but it is now $25.59, so it's gone up $5.59, and I just got this in the mail yesterday. So if you're interested in this, maybe put it in your cart or see if you can find it a little cheaper. This was the cheapest when I bought it, and it took over a week to come in. I think they were backlogged. Um, I didn't get the 2-day shipping. It did take almost a week to come in, because I know I ordered it before Easter, days before Easter. So yeah. So anyway, guys, um, hopefully this will work, and you can use material, paper, and all that kind of stuff. The question I have and the help I need is there projects out there that people have used this on? And if so, could you tag me or send me a link and let me know? Because I want to figure this out and see how to use it. So, okay, guys, thanks. Have a blessed day.